Imagine a world where your smartphone doesn't just keep up, but pushes the boundaries of what you thought possible. Welcome to the era of the Redmi Note 12, a device that combines cutting-edge technology with everyday usability. Scene script. Diving right into the heart of this marvel, the camera on the Redmi Note 12 stands out as a pinnacle of photographic technology. With a 50-megapixel main sensor, the camera captures stunningly clear and vibrant photos, even in low-light conditions. Whether it's a sunset or a spontaneous street performance, every detail is crisply preserved. Complementing this, the device features an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, perfect for when you need that expansive shot. From sprawling cityscapes to family gatherings. Switching gears to performance, the Redmi Note 12 is powered by a robust processor. This chip isn't just about speed, it's about making multitasking seamless and efficient. From gaming sessions that run smoother than ever to switching between apps without a hitch, this phone handles it all with grace. The integration of the latest software optimizations further enhances the user experience, ensuring that the phone operates fluidly even under the load of heavy applications. Battery life, a crucial aspect for any mobile user, is where the Redmi Note 12 truly shines. Equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery, this phone keeps going long after others have given up. Whether it's a long day of travel, endless meetings, or binge watching your favorite series, the need to stay tethered to a charging cable disappears. Plus, with fast charging technology, you're back to full power quicker than you can finish your coffee. In summary, the Redmi Note 12 is not just a smartphone, it's a powerhouse wrapped in elegance. It brings to the table a top-tier camera, exceptional performance, and battery life that frees you from the constant search for power outlets. This device isn't just about assisting with your daily tasks, it enhances them, making every interaction smoother and every moment captured more beautiful. In the landscape of modern smartphones, the Redmi Note 12 offers a compelling argument that more is not just possible, but within reach.